Hey guys, right now I'm at camping. I'm just camping. And I just wanted to show you guys something. I brought my bike here and I stuck a water bottle in the rear wheel, and it sounds like I have like an engine. It's pretty sick. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Let's go. So you can see right here, I stuck just a plastic water bottle into there. Pretty simple. It's literally all you need to do. And then, well, now I got my bike and now I'm just gonna go give it a rip and just literally ride my bike. It sounds wild. It's so realistic because as soon as I start going slow, you can hear it. It's really loud, or it'll get really loud. All right. Let's go. This is so sick. Woo! Oh God, it's really bumpy here. Yes. This is so crazy. Oh, bumpy. Literally all it is a water bottle.